Hello everyone, today I want to share with you probably my favorite place to cycle, close to home, easy, a bit of nature, a bit of disconnecting from urban chaos or whatever. So we're going to cycle along Saatwinkler Damm, close to Tegel Airport, and then I'm going to show you Flughfaen Tegel, Airport Lake. So if you come from Mitte, then you're going to cycle, you're going to see Westhafen on that side, but you have a cycling route on that side of the water, and then you're going to see Plötzensee, and we're going to continue this way. Something pretty cool. They've had an American football pitch here for quite some time, and I think what has happened in the last 2 months is that they've used the time that team sports is not allowed to do probably planned renovation and completely new paint, new grass, and they've even, you can't see it now, but they're building new stands so that people can watch games, which will be unusual and special. It's not a very common sport here. Pretty cool. I found a slightly better angle to look at the new pitch. I want to show you something that I have quite mixed feelings about. So there are parts, relics of the Berlin Wall here, although that was not the original location. And it is quite nice. Some graffiti artists, teens or whatever they're called, they come here and they change the work from time to time. Unfortunately, it also comes with a little environmental cost. Maybe not so little, but let me try to show you what we're looking at. It looks a bit like that. Some of them are even at work right now. I think it would be good if they at least collected their garbage, but it doesn't seem like anyone is ever bothered by that. Die Partnerin oder Partner, wa?
Bitte was?
Die Partnerin oder Partner, ne?
Ja, normalerweise.
Die Ehemann oder Ehefrau.
Normalerweise zwei, ja.
Ja, stimmt. Cool.
Vielleicht ist die Paarungszeit vorbei, das kann gut sein, ne?
Ah ja, kann sein, stimmt.
Ich habe an einem Ententeich gewohnt, da konnte man sehen Enten und Röllen. Englisch so. Rail.
Ja.
Die, wenn die sich gepaart hatten, dann waren die auf einmal, sah man nur männliche und nur weibliche.
Ach so.
Und dann die weiblichen.
In welcher Saison?
Wie?
In welcher Saison? In welcher Jahrzeit?
Naja, ich glaube jetzt schon.
Jetzt?
Vielleicht im Mai. Und dann etwas später sieht man die weiblichen, die haben nicht so auffälliges Gefieder, ne? Aha. Und dann kommen die Kleinen hinterher. Da habe ich beobachtet. Erst 8, da jetzt.
Ja, jetzt.
8 Junge hinterher, und da sind aber auch Wasserratten, die fressen die.
Aha.
Und dann mittlerweile nur 6, nur 3 und so.
Aber ist das hier, ist das Abfüllwasser von die Kleinen?
Ich glaube schon.
Ne, ne?
Ja, die Leute, die haben einen Wasseranschluss, da vorne steht, dass in ein paar Tagen im Mai der Wasserzähler, die Wasserzähler abgelesen werden. Fängt an zu regnen.
Ja,
Hat
genau.
schon geschneit.
Echt?
Ja, ich war am Lützowplatz und da hat es geschneit.
Wann heute nicht?
Doch, heute.
Echt?
Da ist ein Bäcker, ich wollte jetzt zu dem Bäcker gehen. Hier ist noch mein Kuchen.
Ja, ja. Na dann. I was hoping to do a little bit of plane spotting, and I don't think they have so many airplanes flying these days, but this is exactly what I was curious about. I was hoping for the rain to stop, and then it actually, I don't know if you can see it, but it actually snowed a little bit, and now it's getting stronger. Yeah, it's in between snow and hail. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do other than getting soaked. Maybe I will go to Bernaustadt and find a bus stop. Look at that, perfect weather forecast. The cloud is moving. It was worth waiting. They switched on the lights at the airport. So if you're wondering how come they're spending 100,000 euro every day on Tegel Airport, yeah, electricity, that might be one of the answers, one of the reasons. Yeah, all in all, the number that we commonly know here is that both airports and all some 2,000 employees or so, they cost about 1 million euro per day for the taxpayer in Berlin and Brandenburg, and I think partly the money comes from the federal government as well. The hail or snow or whatever it was stopped. However, there are no airplanes, so how can you plane spotting if there are no airplanes? Yeah, I might continue a little bit, and who knows, probably the second I'm gonna continue, then there's gonna be a takeoff, but we'll see. The security fence of the airport, you just continue along the fence, and I'm gonna take you to show you a little place where you could do some bird watching on the other side of the airport, the northern side. So it's actually okay to cycle here, it's allowed security wise, but probably best if I don't shoot too much in the direction of the airport. Yeah, still an airport even now. This beautiful place is called Das Vogelschutzreservat Flughfaen Tegel, and the story behind it is that in 1953 they dug, I don't know how many thousands of cubic tons of gravel so they can continue to build the airport, Tegel Airport, right behind here. And of course that created a little crater, and that crater is today this artificial lake that is called Flughfaen Tegel, Airport Lake. Doesn't look artificial. As you can see, everything looks quite nice. I think there's been a bit of natural restoration. You know, the nature took over with a bit of help, of course, from the authorities. And in 1983 they declared this place as a protected area for birds, and as you can see they left a couple of ponds, and it's just spectacular. It's just so beautiful and calm, and if you come here early in the morning or late afternoon during migration seasons and you're a birder, then you're in heaven. It's just magnificent. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did and you want to see more of that, press like and subscribe. I'll continue to ride, and I'll continue to film this summer, and see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see any airliners taking off, and now it's starting to rain again, so I think I'm gonna go home. Thank you for watching. And yeah, click like and subscribe for more such videos about all these lovely nature spots that are easily accessible all around Berlin. Until next one. It looked for a moment like it's sunny and nice, but now there's a little hailstorm again. Oh God. Okay. Back home, seriously now.